Okay, where are we over here, Mara?
We're at the Municipal Hall of Mobo, where this building. This is the office of the mayor.
The mayor of Mobo.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this place over here. This is where the mayor of Mobo works. Okay. The mayor of Mobo. It's really like you can see the project. They say over there, project of Mayor Nelson Camo. So this is the mayor office. And we have a firefighter vehicle over here. Okay. And that's the office of the mayor over there. Alright guys. Broadcasting from the mayor of Mobo office in the Philippines. In the Mobo waterfall. Mobo waterfall.
This is source of water.
Yeah. Very nice. It's deep over there, you can swim.
Yeah, it's very deep.
And the people are swimming, kids are swimming, and some guys over there are fishing. Okay. It's really nice. And down over there, people are taking a shower, doing laundry over there on the other side. You know. And there's a guy over there with the buffalo. I don't know what he's doing. He's getting some stones for construction, maybe. Yeah. All right.
Hi.
Yeah.
So we're here at we call it Bañadero River, and this is the source of water of the entire province of Masbate.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what do you tell people to do about the channel?
Yeah. So again, guys, welcome to Charles Bukungo's channel, and you're invited to subscribe and share the video and put your comments over there so that you'll be the first one to be able to watch and watch the uploaded.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. All right. Thank you. This is the source. It's a waterfall. It's very nice. Very good. All right. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like, and please show your love to your man, Charles Bukungo. All right. All right.
Where are we?
At the waterfall.
Yeah?
Mobo waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like the place?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Is it?
Very nice.
Yep. Look at that. Yeah.
All right.
Smile. Yeah.
Buying the fish from the street. How much? Okay. How many kilos are there?
2 kilos.
Okay. All right.
Okay, thank you, my friend.
All right, brother. Yeah.